Hello, we're back with the second finger pattern with the low second finger. The third finger is going to be in the same place than we did in the first finger pattern, but that means there's now a tone between 2 and 3. So on the C string, let's go through all the notes. C, D, low first, second finger, sorry, E flat, and then you go to F. E, F is a natural semitone, so with the second finger a semitone further down. E flat, F is now a tone. On the G string, G, A, B flat and C. Yeah. On the D, D, E, F natural, E, F natural semitone. Yeah. And on G, and on the A string, A, B, C, and D. Yeah. Okay, so same finger pattern, different notes, obviously. But yeah, keep concentrating on this relaxation, on your posture, and we'll do different bowings again this time. I didn't do that in the first finger pattern because I just want you to concentrate on being able to reach this little finger. But I hope you've done it, and by now I'm complicating things just for the sake of complicating things. You don't have to do it. I probably recommend the first time you go through this exercise you don't do it. But when you have the intonation right and the posture and the relaxation, then there's nothing stopping you from learning more at the same time. Use one exercise till you learn 10 things instead of 10 different exercises. Yeah, it's just more efficient and it'll help you. Slurring is a very, very common thing. Okay, good luck. We're at 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. D next, and semitone, and bring the third finger forward, without the wrists now, minims. Okay, now the same finger pattern on all 4 strings. So we continue on the G string, G, A, B flat and C. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat and C natural. D string, D, E, F natural, and G. And 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C natural, and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. that's it. As I said, it does feel different than 2 and 3 against each other. So pay attention, and of course next time at 60 I'll do slurring for 2 notes. But if you want, you can of course apply it here as well. So challenge yourself, but prioritize relaxation and posture first. Sound quality, intonation comes after that, and the straight bowing, of course. And then experiment as much as you like. I'll see you at 60. Bye!